Ever wonder why batteries tend to lose their charge so quickly? Or why they end up in the trash far sooner than you'd expect? It's a common issue, but did you know there's a simple solution that can save your wallet and the environment? Welcome to the fascinating world of battery reconditioning. Now you might ask, what exactly is battery reconditioning? It's a process of bringing back the life of a dead or weak battery. It involves several steps that you can easily follow at home with some basic tools. The first step is to gather all the necessary tools. You'll need a voltmeter to measure the voltage of your battery, a hydrometer to check the density of the electrolyte, a battery charger, and safety gear such as rubber gloves and goggles. Remember, safety always comes first. Next, test the battery. Connect the voltmeter to the battery and check the voltage. If it reads less than 12 volts, it needs reconditioning. If it's more than 12 volts, it's in good health. The third step is to remove the battery acid. Carefully remove the battery caps and slowly drain the acid into a plastic container. It's crucial to be cautious during this step as the acid is corrosive. Step 4 involves cleaning the battery. Fill a bucket with a mixture of baking soda and water and submerge the battery in it. This neutralizes any acid left on the battery and cleans the terminals. Then, rinse the battery with distilled water and let it dry. The fifth step is to refill the battery. Mix a new batch of acid with distilled water and fill the battery cells. The final step is to recharge the battery. Connect it to a slow charger and leave it to charge for 24 hours. After this, test the battery again. If the voltage has increased to more than 12 volts, congratulations, you've successfully reconditioned your battery. The benefits of reconditioning batteries are many. It's a great way to save money as reconditioned batteries can serve you for a few more years. It's also an eco-friendly solution as it reduces the number of discarded batteries, which are a major source of toxic waste. Plus, it's a handy skill to have, especially for DIY enthusiasts. In conclusion, battery reconditioning is a simple and cost-effective solution to the common problem of short-lived batteries. So the next time you face a battery issue, don't rush to the store. Instead, consider breathing new life into your old battery. It's all about giving things a second chance, isn't it?